Find a suitable parking space and maintain a 1-meter distance from it. Continue driving until the rearview mirror aligns with line A of the parking space. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left and continue driving until the right side rearview mirror can see point B. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right and reverse until the car aligns with the lines on both sides of the parking space. Straighten the steering wheel and continue reversing until your rearview mirrors align with the rearview mirrors of the vehicles on both sides.